Ang fasting po ba ay pwedeng gawin ng mahabang panahon? May nabasa po ako na 'pag daw nagfa-fasting ay mas magkakasakit daw po sa puso. Yung fasting po, there are different lengths of time ng fasting po ano. Sa araw-araw, if you think about it, you're always fasting every day. Kailan po ba? Tuwing natutulog po tayo. Let's say natulog kayo 10 PM, then the next day you wake up at, let's say, 6 AM. So that's already 8 hours. In fact, you're fasting na po yun eh, di po ba? So, it just depends on the amount of time po ano. Ngayon, yung fasting po, it's necessary. Alam niyo po ba kung bakit necessary yung fasting? Because that's the only time that your metabolism can reset. Hanggat pinapasukan natin ang katawan natin ng pagkain, hindi tumitigil yung factory ng katawan natin, kumbaga ano po. So, never siya totoong napapahingahan, never siya totoong nalilinis, especially the brain. Remember, one of the advantages or one of the benefits ng fasting is autophagy, self-phagy, cleaning. So yung self-cleaning na nagaganap na nangyayari lamang kapag wala tayong pagkain sa katawan, no, when we are in fasting mode. So ngayon, ang fasting naman po ay pwede naman po siyang iba-ibahin. By itself, fasting is not going to cause yung heart disease po, heart trouble. In fact, if your issue is metabolic, for example, yung issue ninyo is diabetes, for example, yung issue ninyo is high cholesterol, for example, these things can worsen yung inyo pong heart disease, and the fasting will help it. So, mga kapatid, it's not the fasting per se, kasi nga fasting can be varied po, it can be short amount of fast, like yung metabolic fast lamang overnight, or it can be longer. Fasting by itself po shouldn't be a problem doon sa heart disease, and nakakatulong pa nga po siya. You just have to understand yung length of time, you just have to aralin po yung pundasyon talaga nito, understand when you will take the medication po, ganun po, and you work with your doctors, you tell them na binago niyo yung lifestyle niyo, and it should be fine po.